kako si želim, da bi odšla nekam, kjer ni nobeni skrbi, kjer me nihče s totom ne bi preganjal.
I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true.
O, poglej, deklico s čudovitimi rdečimi čeveljci. Predvidevam, da si namenjala k mogočnemu čarovniku. Vzemi me s seboj, ker imam tudi jaz željo, da mi čarovnik pomaga in mi da možgane, da bom lahko razmišljal kot človek.
I could while away the hours, conferring with the flowers, consulting with the rain. And my head I'd be scratching while my thoughts were busy hatching, if I only had a brain. I'd unravel every riddle for any individual in trouble or in pain.
With the thoughts you'd be thinking you could be another Lincoln,
if I only had a brain. Oh, I could tell you why the ocean's near the shore. I could think of things I've never thunk before, and then I'd sit and think some more.
I enter into this holy place, a home that's like no other, full of mercy, love, and grace. And though it's been a long time, I've never felt that far, 'cause you were always on my mind, and you were always in my heart. It's so good to be home, where I know that I belong, inside this house. I enter into this holy place, a home that's like no other, full of mercy, love, and grace.